Hi and welcome to Bikerheadz. My name's Ed and this is the Segura Tazer Jacket. Okay, so the Segura Tazer Jacket, one of my favourite jackets in the Segura range, absolutely unique to Segura as you would expect. The design is roughly based on a late 70s Paddock jacket, but it's beautifully brought up to the modern age. Being Segura a French brand, we've been CE approved about 6 years, so you can get a fully CE approved product. The material itself, the armour, everything in this jacket is CE approved. So let me run through a few of the features. This is a waterproof jacket, so you have got a membrane built in there, waterproof and breathable as you'd expect from Segura, and loads of features on the front, so let's run through a few of them. So you've got a zip pocket across the front here, patch pocket on the chest, and then another vertical zip pocket and another patch pocket. So that's 4 pockets built in just to the top half of the jacket, so loads of storage through this. Absolutely loads, you're going to be able to fit everything in the top. Running down, you've got this classic design pocket. So as you can see, the zip runs all the way down, curves over, easy access for gloves. So it's really easy to get anything out, even with a gloved hand. And then you've got yet another pocket built on the front of this one on the left. So you've got loads of pockets on the front with lots of storage, easy access, more stuff that's bulleted away, but most of it's very easy access to get into. Metal zippers, high quality componentry, metal poppers as well. So again, you're getting really good quality. The body of the jacket itself is made from a material called Twiltex, which is Segura's own material. It's fully CE approved. If you get into your store and feel it, it's ultra soft, very flexible, stretchy, so it fits the body perfectly. Absolutely beautiful fit on this product. If I run the jacket around to the side here, you've got another pocket on the arm here, and yet another one at the bottom here, so loads of storage again. Zip and popper closer on the bottom of the cuff, so you can get a perfect fit around your gloves to keep you nice and dry inside. Coming around to the side again, you've got these panels of material running on the shoulder. That just increases the comfort around the top of the shoulder to allow for that armour to sit perfectly. Shoulder and elbow armour, CE approved as you expect, built into this product. Coming around the side, nice detailing of Segura on the top, full panel of material, and you've got that matte pocket built into the back as well. So more storage. If you've got a pillion, very useful for them to keep anything in there they need to get hold of. And it also gives you storage around the back, keeps the comfort level up on the front. Back to the front of the product. Under this beautiful zip with the Segura 70 logo on it, sorry. If we just undo that quickly, you can see you've got your storm flap built in, shows it's a waterproof product. It's going to be waterproof. We don't get any issues with Segura waterproofing at all. It's absolutely perfect. Inside again, more zip pockets on that side there. Opening it up, you can see the grey lining built in. Absolutely beautiful materials again, nicely finished with another pocket. 90-gram thermal lining, so it's a slightly thinner thermal lining, but still very warm. Segura known for their warmth, even on these more casual looking products. So a beautiful jacket. 3-year warranty on Segura, of course, as you'd expect, where you go to bikerheadz.co.uk to extend your warranty to 3 years on Segura products. If you need any more information, either pick up a copy of our Biker Gear Guide 2019 from any Bikerheadz dealer, or download it on the website. For any more information, go to the bikerheadz.co.uk website and like and subscribe below.